Today we're going to solve the quadratic equation x squared minus 25 equals 0 using the square root method. The square root method works when we have a quadratic equation in the form x squared equals some number. Let's first get our equation into this standard form. Looking at our equation, x squared minus 25 equals 0. We can add 25 to both sides to isolate x squared. Now that we have x squared equals 25, we can take the square root of both sides. Remember, when we take the square root, we need both the positive and negative square root, since squaring either one would give us 25. The square root of x squared simplifies to just x, and the square root of 25 is 5. Therefore, our solution is x equals plus or minus 5. Let's verify this by plugging both values back into our original equation. Let's first check x equals 5. When we substitute 5 into our original equation, we get 5 squared minus 25 equals 0. 5 squared is 25, so we get 25 minus 25 equals 0, which simplifies to 0 equals 0. This works. Now, let's check x equals negative 5. When we substitute negative 5, we get negative 5 squared minus 25 equals 0. Negative 5 squared is also 25, so again we get 25 minus 25 equals 0, which is true. Let's visualize these solutions on a graph. The parabola representing x squared minus 25 crosses the x-axis at x equals 5, and x equals negative 5, exactly where we found our solutions. In summary, we solved x squared minus 25 equals 0 by, first, isolating x squared by adding 25 to both sides, then taking the square root of both sides, remembering to include both positive and negative roots, which gave us our solutions x equals plus or minus 5. Finally, we verified our solutions by plugging them back into the original equation.